welcome back to Miss Paquet's project. Today it's a cold one. I'm just sitting here for a second just to warm up. This is the only sun in the yard. So the hardscape team is off the project today. We're leaving space for the carpentry team. So here we have the staging area and the deck is further along than where it was last time that we were here. So here we're gonna have the door to go into the storage area. That's the only time you're gonna have to duck. And I'm 5'10", we got clearance. So the client has a nice, comfortable storage area. I think her husband might use it as also a little workshop area if he wants to. All of this here is going to be completely enclosed, and we're going to have skirting going all the way down to the pavers. So it's going to finish very nicely right on the natural stone. So now that the vision of the project is moving along, you guys could see a little bit what we were going for. So around the tree here, because we're going to have our elevation of our ground sloping towards the back to respect the existing grades, we're putting a nice planter custom cut around this existing tree. So basically it's two pieces that are going to be installed together and then bolted together. Right now our carpentry team is working on this landing. So this is going to be the bottom of our staircase. Our staircase is going to go up to this front corner of the deck here. The tree act is being respected around the roots of the tree here. We have no construction going around here. We're just going to be putting some mulch. And then this is going to bring us up comfortably to the deck area and down comfortably into the pool area if we want to. Hi, I'm Megan. Welcome back to MTV Cribs. So the client purchased her own greenhouse and then our team just built it for her. So once the staging area is done being used, this is going to be moving right there. And because our pavers are permeable, when we water everything that's going to be in here, it'll go into the ground. There won't be a collection of water anywhere. It won't be a problem. So as you guys can see, the pool equipment here is very visible if you're chilling in the pool area. Once they're done with their wiring and the electrical is completed, we're going to be putting a nice privacy screen around. Nothing too high because our property fence that we're going to have here is going to be 4 feet tall. So it's going to still be cohesive with the rest of the project. So once all of the carpentry items are completed, we're going to coordinate with the fencing team to come back on site. They're going to be measuring the distances between the posts that their team installed. So the panels that they're going to be putting up will fit perfectly. And at the same time, they're going to be measuring for the pool fence and the railing of the upper deck area. So here, what you're going to see is some waterproofing tape and a little piece also for waterproofing. As I've mentioned before, it's so that everything under is nice and dry, but that is very cutesy, very demure. That's what we're going for here. So here we have the inlight transformer. So all our wires that we ran under the pavers for our integrated lighting is going to run up to here and go into one of these 3 different connections. We're also going to have integrated lighting in the deck. So it's going to be on each step. We're going to see like a little light. We're going to have 2 that are going to be under. And we also are going to have privacy screens on the deck that will also have lighting on them. Nice and cutesy. So where I'm currently standing is going to be our stepping stones with grass sod joints going in between. So we're going to be walking on our little path to either go up to the deck or into the greenhouse right over here until our paths cross again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.